these different techniques that he's used in his office and the skills that he has and his staff, I feel that I am much better person health-wise and stronger, and I have a much better mental attitude because now I know I can do it. My body is being back on track. And I know at the age of 72 that I'm not a young person, but I feel like I've been given a new avenue of being able to do things in life. I've had 3 surgeries with Dr. Mckenna. I had surgery in my right hand, which entailed surgery on my 3 fingers, reconstruction of my thumb, carpal tunnel, and stem cells. And before surgery, I wasn't able to do a lot of gripping nor do a lot of writing with my right hand. After surgery, I noticed within a couple of weeks that I was able to really fold my hand back and then is able to continue writing. My writing is improved immensely, where I can do my Bible studies or do typing on the computer with no pain. And then later, I've had 2 surgeries on my left and right ankle. Prior to that, I did not have the stability to walk and walk straight, going up and down stairs. I would waddle like a duck, and it was putting wear and tear in my joints, and I had lots of swelling in my ankles where it was uncomfortable. And after the first surgery on my left ankle, I noticed that there was more ability and stability in my left ankle. And then on the right, since he did the repairs on that, I'm able to feel like I have the confidence to go up and down even a curb now. It's only been 2.5 weeks, and I've noticed now that I can bend my right foot down because it had a torn ligament and tendon, and he put stem cells in it. I feel like I'm ready to run the duration and join the marathon now. Looking forward to PT, where I can regain strength and get back to the gym. At first, I was skeptical because I have seen many orthopedic doctors for my ankles and for my hand, and I was unsure of what steps he was going to be taking. But he is the only doctor that all the doctors I've seen to do a full blood workup. His comment was back to me, until I know what your blood is and what type of problems that exist, he says, I cannot help you until we find the source of what's wrong with it. And that's when we discovered that I had autoimmune disease / high inflammation rate, and I couldn't understand why I was hurting so much. And only Dr. Mckenna is the doctor who found that out. As I said before, I was skeptical of the procedure of stem cells. It's an unknown or uncharted territory, especially for me. But after visiting with Dr. Mckenna, listening to the options that he put before me, and when we started surgery for my hand, and he gave me the positive feeling that I would have a much better life by the process of the stem cells, where I would regain mobility, and the same thing with my ankles. He gave me hope of not being able to regain full use of my ankles, and with that, I feel totally comfortable in the way that he presents materials to you. He's, like I said, he's caring, he listens, and that's, I think, is the most important thing, that he shares all of his knowledge with you and gives you the opportunity to make up your mind. And I highly recommend the stem cells because it's regained, or it's given to me the ability to, like I said, use my hand and get walking again. Thank you.